This is going to blow your mind. Imagine a future where financial freedom isn't just a dream, but a reality. Long-term wealth isn't just for the super rich. It's for everyone. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or someone nearing retirement, the principles of wealth building apply to you. The first step to building wealth? Consistency. It's about making regular, disciplined efforts to save and invest. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint. Regular investments, no matter how small, can grow exponentially over time. It's like planting seeds that will eventually grow into a forest. Next up, diversify. Spread your investments across stocks, bonds, and real estate to minimize risk. Diversification is your safety net. It ensures that if one investment doesn't perform well, others can compensate. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments, you protect yourself from market volatility. And don't forget the power of compound interest. It's the magic that turns small, regular investments into substantial wealth over time. It's like planting a money tree that grows larger every year. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. The earlier you start, the bigger it gets. Time is your greatest ally in the journey of wealth building. Live below your means. This doesn't mean depriving yourself of life's pleasures. It means making conscious choices about your spending. It's not about being cheap, but being smart. Prioritize your spending on things that truly matter and bring value to your life. Spend less than you earn and invest the difference. This simple principle is the cornerstone of financial success. Lastly, educate yourself. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing your finances. Stay curious and keep learning. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, persistence, and a long-term perspective. There will be ups and downs, but stay the course. Stay the course, and your future self will thank you. Imagine the peace of mind and freedom that comes with financial security. Ready to start your journey? Let's go. The path to long-term wealth is within your reach. Take the first step today and watch your financial future transform.